I promise I killed it. iTunes, eMusic, Rhapsody, Amazon. Get the Never Be a Trick ringtone. Hottest thing on earth. I'm about to kill this bitch. I'm about to kill the game, I ain't even on TV. I can see these rapping lames already wanna be me. Feeling like Stevie, they wonder what I'm thinking. Attached to this mic, forever like my penis. Subliminally dope, every line thick as Adidas. Yes, I came to twist the game, flame and adrenaline. Really love pussy, so I never been feminine. I ain't gotta trick no dollars just to get a hold of holla. Cooler than I old Impala, only fuck with real. No, we not controlled by dollars, bold, and I'm hotter. Got so many fucking bars, rappers should call me your honor. But I hate to pose to death, comma, had to clear that shit up. California finest every day, that's what I twist up. She swallowed me like wine, every drop give her hiccups. I shot her like a stick up, and now she call me Big Flux. Tell me that I'm sexy, motivated, chasing big bucks. No matter if my swagger was Abercrombie, still roll up back your hottie, so cocky, remind him of Ollie. No back and forth volley, I'm crazy like Mardi Gras thieves, and I make your girl want me like their Mardi Gras beads. Said I caught her off guard like cold water in her sleep, and when I'm up and I got a speaking stigmata, wishing she could lock me up, I kill it like a mafia. Them boys hating on me, but they watching with binoculars. No, they can't stop the flux. Oh my, I'm hot as fuck. I should be naked every record, I'ma break it. iPod, jewel cases, DVDs, even spaceships. Bitch, I am straight up out the matrix. All this bullshit out, I'ma balance the equation, cause my swagger is amazing. Yes, I'm the hottest thing and I've been waiting so patient. Check my ass cat, brat, 30 rock placement. Telling everybody I'm a body, everybody spitting hollies in the lobby. Lick 'em like Musabi, pulling off so snotty with my hand on the shotty, like I probably speak no English. Genius, gifted features, still I gotta keep my mind right. People helping people on this seat road, me and my amigos. Word is universal, stay connected like a zero. Always 100 in the booth, I'm burning seat notes. Always keep a freak ho, meet me in the future, got them snooping through my sheets. I just came for the money, most important, good sleep. Vacations on the island, yup, money piling. I'm too fucking good, I got them shook like I'm Allen Iverson. Hottest thing, retirement. My diet situation got me wired like a pilot about to fly into the atmosphere. Asteroid might crash right here, right after I'm writing this, or right before I light my split. Either way, life's a bitch, I live forever, never done. I don't give a damn like Macy Gray Skies. My John Casey flow is on the rise. This is where everybody dying in this jungle. I'm a lion, you a souvenir. You haters are customers, bullets to my clients. Make them pay attention, but don't forget religion, cause the way that blood is dripping, your ass might end up missing. Inhibition given for them God-given rocks that fucking glisten. But I'm the hottest thing